Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Concept2 bike erg. First, carefully unbox all components. Begin by assembling the main frame and attaching the front and rear stabilizers. Next, secure the monitor arm to the frame and then slide the PM5 performance monitor into place. Double-check that all bolts are tightened firmly to ensure stability and safety during your workouts. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable riding experience. Now, let's get your fit just right. Adjust the seat height so that when your leg is fully extended at the bottom of the pedal stroke, you have a slight bend in your knee, about 5 to 10 degrees. Next, position the handlebars to allow for a comfortable, upright posture. When gripping the handles, your arms should have a slight bend, not be locked straight. These adjustments are key for both comfort and efficient power transfer. Proper foot placement is essential for effective cycling. If you are using the standard foot straps, slide your feet in and tighten the straps so your feet are secure but not uncomfortably tight. The ball of your foot should be centered directly over the pedal spindle. If you have SBD pedals, clip in firmly. Ensuring your feet are stable prevents slipping and allows for maximum power transfer throughout your entire workout session. Finally, let's configure your monitor and damper. Power on the PM5 monitor and explore its various display options and workout programs. The damper lever, located on the side, controls the airflow to the flywheel. You can set it anywhere from 1 to 10. A setting of 1 provides the least resistance, feeling lighter, while a setting of 10 offers the most resistance, feeling heavier. Experiment to find your preferred workout intensity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.